So what is the life cycle? As soon as the adult mosquito takes a blood meal, okay, I'll come to that. It will suck the blood of a human being so that it can go to the next stage where it will become egg, and it will lay eggs. Then it will become larva. Then it will become pupa. Then it will, from the pupa again the adult mosquito will emerge. So this is the life cycle. It is important to know the duration of the life cycle. Okay, egg will lay after 1 to 2 days after an adult. It is morphed into an adult. After 1 to 2 days, it will lay egg. After 1 to 2 days of egg, it will become larva. After 5 to 7 days, it will become pupa. After 1 to 2 days, it will shed the skin of pupa and adult mosquito will emerge. Now, adult mosquito will last maximally for 7 to 10 days. Okay. These durations are important to know when you are supposed to give which control measures, because each of this stage will have different control measures. Okay. So egg, when it comes to egg of a mosquito, sometimes some mosquitoes will lay egg one single egg at a time, and sometimes they will lay egg multiple eggs at a time, some around 100 to 250 at a time. Okay. Only the female needs the blood. So only the female mosquitoes are biters. Male mosquitoes are not biting human beings. Okay, they're biting either in other insects or they're biting vegetables or trees. Okay, male mosquitoes will never bite. Only female mosquitoes will bite. Why? Because female mosquitoes need the blood so that they can develop into the next stage and they can multiply. Okay. So the time interval between the blood meal and the laying of eggs is known as gonotropic cycle. Okay, this is one important. I'll come down to the differentiating between each mosquito later on. Just know that eggs are laid 1 to 2 days after an adult mosquito emerges, and the adult mosquitoes, only the female mosquitoes require blood meal so that it can develop into the egg stage and then it will lay egg. So larva is the swimming creature. It is the next stage of the egg. Okay. So it is an elongated body. Body is again divisible into head, thorax and abdomen. So it is on the surface of water. See, eggs are also laid on the surface of water. Now in that water only this larva will remain. This larval stage is very important for us, the public health officials, because when we go to employ control measures, because it is only restricted to water bodies, if we employ correct and effective control measures at the correct time, which is restricted to just the water, we can very much bring down the vector control measures. Okay. So it is a elongated body. It feeds on algae and bacteria. It lasts for 5 to 7 days. Okay. Next stage is the pupa stage. Okay. In this stage, there is no feeding. It is only resting. See, larval stage, they were feeding on the algae and bacteria found in the water bodies. Now in pupa stage, there is no feeding. It is only resting under the surface of water. It is comma-shaped body, rounded cephalothorax and narrow abdomen. Okay, it lasts for 1 to 2 days. So again, life cycle: adult, after the female mosquito takes blood meal, 1 to 2 days later, it will lay down eggs. From eggs, it will move to the next stage, which is larval stage. Okay, 5 to 7 days. From larval stage, it will move to pupa, 1 to 2 days. Then after that, again, it will, from the pupa skin, the adult mosquito will emerge. Okay, this is the life cycle.